Welcome back to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne and this is the kitchen segment. And today we have something special. We are going to do a recipe in honor of Harry Styles' birthday. Happy birthday, Harry. Okay, so I have made the base of this recipe before, but we're switching it up a little bit. We're going to make soft serve, like a soft serve ice cream, and it doesn't require any labor intensive anything. So last time it actually was like a soft serve, but this time we're gonna do something that Jamie likes to make, and she just made it the other day, but she wouldn't let me record her because she was tired. She made a rolled type of ice cream, and you simply put it in a tray. Now, I've seen videos where people are using dry ice and trying to make that compressor type element that you put it on and you do it like they do over in, I don't know, wherever it came from. I think it was Asia. But we are going to make this very simple, and it's delicious. Okay, here we go. So you have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And in my original recipe, to make it soft serve, you actually whipped it up and then you added the condensed milk. There's no whipping. This is the extent of the labor in this one, which is just appropriate for Mr. Styles because Mr. Styles is quite laid back. Yes, I do know he's athletic and whatnot, but this is just like lazy day at home, little treat. And it has banana in it, which we all know he loves. So I have 2 cups of cream, and again, all of the ingredients will be in the description below. Then we have our condensed milk, which I love it. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay. And then what we're going to add to it, I know when they make it, they do all this chopping up together and stuff. We're not doing anything like that, and it's still going to be delicious, I promise you. So once we get this in, I'm going to add some banana extract. Your base doesn't even have to have any extract in it. When my sister made it, she didn't even add vanilla, and it was delicious. And I think what she added to hers was she sprinkled on Fruity Pebbles, which Kyle, my brother-in-law, loves, as do the kids. All right, want to get all that goodness out. Okay, and then you just stir it together. I'm going to add, I'm not even measuring. If you had to measure, I would say a teaspoon. I'm eyeballing this up. This is the banana. And then what we're going to do is, after we mix it up, we are going to pour it out on a cookie sheet. And then we're going to pop it into the freezer, and it should freeze for like 5 hours. And then I will show you what it looks like, and we'll scoop it out with the spatula so it's rolled and add all the extra yumminess to it. We're going to add frozen bananas to it to garnish it. But for now, as I mix this, the only thing I'm going to sprinkle on top are chocolate chips. And I forget I just poured out whatever I wanted. I think this is a 3rd cup, I'm not sure. Yes, it's a 3rd cup. So what she did was, after she mixed up hers and she poured it out onto here, she sprinkled it with not Cocoa Pebbles. Ooh, that would be good, wouldn't it? With Fruity Pebbles. And you could do shredded coconut and chocolate chips or banana. You can mash the banana directly in here, but I chose not to do it because I thought it would be yummier if we got the banana. I love chocolate covered bananas that have been frozen. I thought it would be yummier if we got the banana and we froze it, and then when we roll this up and put it in the cup, we will add to it the frozen banana, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, and yummy. So Harry, let's talk a little bit about Harry while I stir this. He's hiding out in Japan, and I think he's making his new album, or maybe he's just enjoying himself. Whatever it is, I have to tell you that I appreciate all the wonderful, kind things that he does, all the community service, the giving back. That is why we love him on our channel, and it inspired it. He has something called Treat People with Kindness, and then they made a Treat People with Kindness movement, and they made this whole Instagram account, and I don't know if it's his fans or whoever it is that did it, but they put challenges up of kind things to do, and it inspired us to do that at our school. And our character ed program is called Bravo, and be respectful and value others. And we put challenges up. We started it in the new year, and the kids send pictures and share ideas. It's fun. Okay, so here we go. That's it. We're done. Here we go. We're going to pour it out. You don't want it to be thick. You want it to be on the thinner side because that makes it easier to roll it up when you go to scoop it. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. And again, this is when someone put peaches on theirs. Someone did peaches and little pieces of chocolate, shredded coconut. You can leave it just like that. You could add cocoa even to the batter, but I'm just going to add it right in. Now they usually chop it all up and do whatever. I'm not even going there. Again, I said, sweet treat. You start it early. By the time the kids get home, or early when you first get home, or the night before, whatever, and when the kids come home and your family, or you can have it while you're watching television at night, playing games, whatever. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna pop it into the freezer for at least 5 hours, and the next time you see me, we'll be carving it out and garnishing it with the frozen banana and drizzling it with chocolate syrup. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Well, we got tired and we didn't eat any ice cream. So we're gonna have it today. We went to church. Like I said, I have my Treat People with Kindness pin on from Harry. People notice it all the time, which is so nice. We're going to roll the ice cream and put it together. Now, whether it rolls out like the professionals do, I don't know. It's just the whole texture and the taste of it is so delicious. We already stole some last night in the middle of the night to try, and it has a wonderful banana flavor. I'm so excited. And then we're gonna put the frozen banana on it and some of this. So here we go. As you could see, we already had some right there. This is the frozen banana. And we're going to see if we could get it to roll. Who knows? It's an experiment, but it's so delicious. The base of it is so delicious. All right, here we go. It's rolling nicely. I mean, it's coming up nicely. Oh, it's rolling beautifully. My sister is like a pro at this. I am not. Here's our first roll. And as you could see, oh, we got it. It has this amazing texture, and there it is rolled, but we're gonna lay it. We're not gonna lay it, you know how they lay theirs up like in a cup? We're putting ours down. We're gonna garnish it and get it all ready. Oh my goodness, so delicious. The texture, oh my. We'll do another one. And then we're gonna love it up. Yum. The girls are not here. They'll be here soon. Their parents are gonna go get their taxes done, and we're gonna spend some time together. And Susie's coming over too. And we're gonna have the Brussels sprouts and all kinds of goodness. Look how it just rolls right up. So good. Look at that. Woo! And I know people make it stand up. There's the rest, but we're not. All right, here we go. Here's my frozen banana. They don't get brown. They're beautiful. We're cutting up some frozen banana. We're gonna put that right across the top. Yummy, yum, yum. Oh, Harold would love this. Okay, you will love it. If you want to sprinkle more chocolate chips, you can, but I feel like that's enough. Right across the top. Oh my goodness. This one's on the thick side. I'm leaving out those because it has a little spot on it. And I'm going to drizzle it with some chocolate. Oh my gosh. And oh my, little sound effects. Here it is. It's all rolled. It has frozen bananas and chocolate syrup on the top. Yummy. All right, Harold, happy birthday. We're gonna enjoy this. Banana, rolled ice cream with frozen bananas, drizzled with chocolate, and then The actual rolled ice cream had chocolate chips studded through it. Make it. It is so easy. Thank you for tuning into the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne, and you have a good day. My gosh. What does this taste like? I feel like putting it in the freezer for the kids. Oh my God. My God, that is good. Delish. Yum.